हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं फारूक और आप लोग देख रहे हैं रैंडम मीडिया सी समथिंग न्यू। तो आज मैं करने जा रहा हूं OnePlus 6T की अनबॉक्सिंग। तो ये मैंने ऑफलाइन मार्केट से खरीदी है इन अ प्राइस ऑफ ₹37,999। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग इन द टाइम, लेट्स बिगिन द वीडियो गाइस, एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर। टिल देन, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम। So here comes the OnePlus 6T. Unlock the speed. Well, I'm very much excited to open this up. The new thing that OnePlus device has given to OnePlus users is the in-display fingerprint scanner. Well, there are two variants. One is 6 GB and the other is 8 GB with 128 GB plus 256 GB internal storage. Well, this is the 6 GB plus 128 GB variant, and I got this in a price of 37,999 from our offline market. It looks damn elegant, sleek design. Let's keep aside and first of all see what are there in the box. We still get this back case and some paperwork related things. The case is good, the quality is good, and we get some invitation letter from the CEO. This is the invitation letter. We have the desk charge with USB Type-C cable. Of course, it's a first charger. This is the USB Type-C cable. You also get a dongle because no headphone jack in this OnePlus 6T. Well, let me give you a physical overview. In the top you have a secondary noise cancellation microphone. The rear camera is 20 plus 16 megapixel with OIS, and in the front you have 16 megapixel with EIS and in display fingerprint sensor. In hand it looks premium. By the time it actually boots itself, let me give you the configuration overview. So you have a Snapdragon 845 SoC octacore processor with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, 6.41-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display, 128 or 256 GB internal storage, then NFC or Bluetooth with 5.0 version. You have the SIM ejector tool as well. The rear dual camera is 16 megapixel with optical image stabilization plus 20 megapixel, and the front camera comes with 16 megapixel with electronic image stabilization. The battery is 3700 mAh battery which comes with dash charging, and plus you have the in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock, and you get Android P 9.0 version. So now let's set the fingerprint password. So in this way you have to set your fingerprint password. It's very easy. Finally it's done. So finally the device is ready to use now. So let's test the fingerprint scanner now, how much it is fast. It's quite fast, I must say. So let's go to about phone, and yeah, Android 9, Android Pie. So you get the latest version out of the box. The camera is superb. So I will give the camera samples video test quality in my future videos, so stay tuned everyone. So this is the case. The case is quite good, quite impressive. The touch is very much smooth, very much impressive. The notch design is also good. Water drop design notch, unlike the OnePlus 6. Anyways everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys like my videos, so please do subscribe, share and hit the like button. Till then, take care. I'll give the in-depth review of this OnePlus 60 in my future videos. The touch is too smooth.